coming. Hello and welcome to today's class. Let's consider yet the second method under limit function called the H method. Last class we dealt with the first method called the substitution method. Let's now look at how to possibly evaluate problem under the H method. When it comes to H method, your task is simple as substituting the value of x by adding h to it and putting it directly into the expression. What do I mean in essence? Let's take example 1 to further explain the concept behind H method. Solution to example 1. Solution, we said when it comes to H method, your very first task is that I'm given x tends to 5 here. The task is easy as put x as being equal to, this is 5, so because I'm using H method, I'll have to add plus h. When it comes to H method, the given variable, which is 5, add h to it and then substitute the value into the given expression, and that's all. So from here, I'll put x as being equal to 5 plus h into the expression here. So I'll have the limit as s approaches 5, I have x squared. Mind you, we said x should be 5 plus h. So I have what there? 5 plus h all squared as x minus 25 all over, this is x. X should be 5 plus h. So I have 5 plus h, right? Next up, minus 5. As easy as that. Your rule 1, your step 1 is that for the given value here, add h to it. Next up, substitute the value into given expression. I have this. So here's the thing, I have 5 plus h squared. How do I solve this? I'm going to use the concept of binomial theorem of the half. Let me call it Pascal's triangle here. For Pascal's triangle of the half binomial theorem in general, I'll drop the link to the video in the description of this video. So I've done a video on that. So just do it to watch that so you can understand how to evaluate problem on this. So let's say I have 5 plus h all squared. I want to break this down. It's easy as going back to your indices concept. If I have x squared, this is x times x, as we know. Similarly, if I'm to expand this one, that becomes 5 plus h into 5 plus h. What do we do here? Pick out the first term as I did initially from our previous example. The first term here is 5 into 5 plus h. Second term here is plus h into all the term here 5 plus h. What do we know? 5 times 5 is of course 25 plus 5 times h is of course 5h plus, similarly I have 5h here plus h times h is what? H squared. Mind you, these two can combine, so I have 25 plus what? 10h. 5h plus 5h, of course 10h. Next up, plus h squared. So on expanding this one alone, I have this expression. So put this expression into what this part here. So what do we get? So I have the limit as x tends to 5 to be equal to everything here is this expression. So I have 25 plus 10h plus h squared. Next up, a minus 25 all over numerator 5 plus h. In this case here, I will remove bracket there. I'll have minus 5. What do we observe? This we cancel this. This we cancel this as established in our previous example, right? Of course, plus 25 minus 25 is 0. This one is 0. So here I'll have the limit as x tends to 5, right? So I'm left with what? Just 10h plus h squared all over what there? H. So here's the thing, your first rule is that put x, add the given variable of x, add h to it. Next up, put that value into this question and simplify as much as possible. After simplifying, your next task is to divide each of the term by h. So at this point here, divide each of the term by h. So I have the limit as x tends to 5 becomes 10h over h plus h squared over h, all over what there? H over h, as easy as that. From here, if I simplify here further, I'll have h cancel h, I'll have 10 left, plus h cancel h squared, have h left, that's h, all over, this cancel is what? Is of course 1. At this point, I'm left with what? Just 10 plus h. After dividing each term by h, put h as 0, that's all. So put h as being equal to 0. If I put h as 0, this becomes 10 plus 0. This becomes what there? 10. So this is how to evaluate problem using the h method. Rule 1. Listen up. Rule 1. Put the given variable of x, add h to it in this case. After you are done with this, put the value of x into the expression and simplify as far as possible. I end up here. At this point, you divide through by h. So each term by h. So I have this one here. After that, put h to be 0 and then you have 10. This is how to evaluate problem using the h method. Next class, we'll look at yet the third method called La Hospital's rule and also limit at infinity.